Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV awning lights on Amazon. RV awning lights are more like LEDs attached to the trailer's side in an awning. These lights are available in multiple colors like purple, blue, white, and more. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Airful LED rope lights. I have used color-changing LED rope lights from Airful for their beautiful design before. These RV LED awning lights are available with 6 lighting modes and 8 bright colors to match all your decorative needs. The pack comes with a remote controller, so you can change color settings, modes, speed, brightness, and lots more. Specially, you can even use the controller to turn your lights on and off. These are primarily RGB LED rope lights, which come with extendable units. There remains a coaxial connector, which can connect up to 65.6 feet. I love the product's flexible features as well. What we like about it: has 6 lighting modes, 8 bright colors, and a remote control. Extendable units with coaxial connector. Water-resistant features. Available with mounting hardware and 2 electrical fuses. Thick PVC casing. What we don't like about it: high price. Number 2. In Brighton LED string lights. This is one of the top-tier awning LED lights, and you can use these 18-feet-long string lights to decorate many places. It consists of a total of 9 strong and impact-resistant Edison-styled acrylic bulbs. So, even if you drop them or step on them, the bulbs won't break that easily. These lights are made using commercial-grade construction materials. Moreover, they are all listed for permanent outdoor and indoor protection. So, I don't need to take them off while opening or closing my RV's awnings. What we like about it: 18 feet long string lights with 9 durable bulbs. These lights are all listed and made using commercial-grade construction materials. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Easy to install with flexible mounting options. What we don't like about it: doesn't have mounting hardware for hanging festive lights. Number 3. Airful RGB LED strip. Airful is proud to present premium quality LED RGB rope light. It comes in 8 static colors for you to choose from. It also consists of multiple lighting modes. So, no matter how I want to decorate my RV, now I can go with this LED strip. Moreover, these LED lights for RV awnings are mainly changeable, and I can avail them in dimmable colors. It helps to create a festive party mood. The best part about this rope light is that it is not just meant for RVs. If you plan to use it for decorating the interior of your house, you can do it too. What we like about it: 8 static colors and separate color changing mechanism. Great for indoors and outdoors uses. Comprises of a PVC casing design. The light rope is ETL listed and certified. Can last up to 5,000 hours. What we don't like about it: the pack does not have enough mounting clips. Number 4. MCtuning LED porch light. If you are looking for perfect 12 volts LED RV awning lights, then have a look at the exterior LED utility light from MCtuning. I love its porch light, which has 6 pieces of premium white LEDs. Furthermore, the light has 750 lm luminous flux. It helps in casting uniform and wide light beams with effective luminance. There you have a quick, safe installation process available as well. The design is compact, making it suitable for mounting on exterior surfaces. Moreover, the lights came with special mounting screws for better and stable installation. What we like about it: a wide light beam with 6 pieces of premium white LEDs. Comprises of unique anti-glare PC lens. Quick, safe and easy to install. Better heat dissipation for better energy efficient. Waterproof light to withstand harsh weathers anytime. What we don't like about it: the size is smaller than expected. Number 5. Camco rope lights. This 16 feet long blue and white LED rope light from Camco is a perfect choice to add life to your RV, especially if you are looking for RV novelty lights. It has a 6 mm diameter, which makes it different from the other LED lights I came across recently. I like the weatherproof connector of this LED light as well. Even when it is raining outside or the weather is stormy, the connector prevents the lights from flickering. What we like about it: 16 feet long with a perfect combination of blue and white light. Has a weatherproof connector. Can fit most of the awning roller bar channels. Awning clips are available for better protection. Flexible and easy to install. What we don't like about it. Not bright enough like the white awning lights. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.